Hi guys, how are you all doing? I hope everyone are doing good. I'm Ravikiran, welcome back to my channel. So today is my what I have to say, I've started a new playlist called as Should You Buy. I think you have seen the title itself. The name itself says Should You Buy. So the concept is very simple. Like if a person wants to buy a bike, the person will think of some certain factors. So the certain factors like price, mileage, comparison, maintenance, service cost, reliability, brand value and benefits. So based on these factors, the person will buy a bike. So in this video, I'm not going to do a review. So if you want to see the review of this Benelli Imperiale 400, you can click on the link in the iCards. So you can see that video. So do watch that video as well if you want to see the right review. So let's start our video. So this is an Benelli Imperiale 400. The name it says 400 says 400cc. It has an 21 PS of power with 29 Newton meters of torque. So the price of this Benelli Imperiale is 2,30,000 on road. So for this price, you can buy in the showroom. Like the price maybe differs from 5,000 to 10,000 depending upon your location. Right now when I'm shooting on this date, the price is 2,30,000. So the price may increase due to this financial year. So approximately like 10,000 or 5,000, the price may change. Next factor is comparison. So with bikes, we can compare this bike. So comparison, there are some few bikes which comes in direct rival with this Benelli Imperiale. So they are like Royal Enfield Classic, Electra and Bullet and Java. So Java all models and Royal Enfield 350 segment. So these all bikes are direct competitors with the Imperiale 400. So basically this bike is compared with only cruiser models. This cannot be compared with naked or sport or super sport. So this is a cruiser, so you need to compare this with a cruiser bike itself. So coming to the next factor, maintenance. So to maintain this bike, this maintenance includes service cost and insurance. So the service cost for Benelli Imperiale, the first service takes around 1,000 kilometers and you will be charged around rupees 3,000 per service. So for every service, you will get a minimum payment of rupees 3,000 that you need to do. And insurance, so for every year, consecutive years, if you buy a 5 years policy, then you no need to do a renewal for next 4 years. So if you buy a comprehensive like 1 + 4 year policy, then from the second year onwards, you need to pay full insurance amount. So the insurance amount will be like 6,000 to 8,000 per year. So depending upon the policy you take. Service interval 6,000 kilometers or 6 months, and for every service you will pay 3,000 rupees minimum. So these are some maintenance figures. So coming to its top speed, this bike can do up to 130 kilometers per hour and you can cruise around 100 to 110 with ease. So this is the comfortable speed this bike can go. Like you can do at 100 space easily for as long as many kilometers. And the next factor, spare parts. So coming to the spare parts, there are few dealerships, like only in the metropolitan cities this brand is available. So like in small cities, the Benelli showrooms are not existent right till now. So if you want to buy any spare parts for this, first you have to check the availability. And coming to the prices of the parts, the price is little bit expensive when compared with an RE or Java, the other bikes. So you have to consider the spare parts price as well. And the next, brand value. There are many sports bike in this Benelli company, like you have 600cc segments, you have an adventure bike. So basically the Benelli is all about biking. So most of the people who buy Benelli bikes are into biking clubs, they go for tours. So this bike is meant for touring and you can do a lot of kilometers effortlessly. Like you can go, you will have a great comfort in this bike. So the brand value gives us the premium feel. And the next factor is benefits. So what are the benefits you get if you buy this Benelli? So if you buy this Benelli, you can join the Benelli riders group. You can go for the breakfast rides, and if you make some good friends, you can go for tours as well. And the next is premium look. So if you can see, each and every part gives you a premium feel. And when you take this bike out, you get a special attraction. So and if you are geared up fully with gloves, jackets, helmet, riding shoes, and man, you look awesome. So this bike has that good appeal. One great thing I must say, there are less vibrations in this bike. Even I have done few kilometers on this bike, I didn't feel any vibrations, and the comfort is too high. So comfort is the main thing for a bike. So if you want to ride a bike, you have to consider the comfort. So comfort on this bike is very good. So you can buy this bike by considering all these factors. So I think you have liked my video. I think you guys have loved my concept. So if you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my video if you are watching my videos for the first time. So if you have subscribed that, click on the bell notifications on the side. So if you turn on the notifications, you will get my notifications immediately when I upload a video. So see you in another video. Until then, bye. This is Ravikiran signing off.